Welcome to a new video tour from Engel Völkers.
Today we're going to present you Villa Luna, a stunning villa in the gated community Las Lomas de Nueva Andalucía.
We cannot wait to show you more.
Let's go!
The stunning Villa Luna is distributed on 3 levels. It has 4 bedrooms, all en suite, with the master being on the top floor and the most incredible sea views.
The bright and spacious living area is providing access to the sun deck and the wonderful pool area. This villa is offering sea views on all levels. Watching, and please find more information in the link below.
Please don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you again soon in the beautiful Marbella.